Welcome to the Anomalube channel 2025 small YouTuber recommendation / tier list. This year is going to be a little different from last year, as we have quite a few new faces and quite a few new people who have either quit or have actually blown up to more than 10K. But just for you guys that don't remember from last time, the only channels that make it onto here are channels that I think make good videos who have less than 10K subscribers. And you might be like, oh, what is this channel with 218 subscribers doing? Promoting someone who has like 10 times that amount? Because there is always the possibility that one of my videos could blow up, and then those channels also get that exposure, which I would be very happy to give them. Let's begin.
What the fuck?
What? First up on our tier list, we have the channel Attack with an exclamation point. He makes these very silly, random videos. For example, one of my favorites is the brain is like, are you playing random background effects? I love this video in particular. Y'all, I loved this video so much, I even took the time to leave a comment on it. I hope that gave you a good gist of what his videos are like. They're very, very unique. Next up on our tier list, we have Bozy. Bozy makes commentary / like video essay videos, or yeah, I think that's the correct term. The way I originally found him was through the Cold Ones and Max Mofo video, which I think Cold Ones videos. I fuck with these Cold Ones videos quite a bit. They're very well researched and very well looked into, very good quality.
Max has rightfully earned himself a combined total of 11 million subscribers. But for someone so successful and so influential during the golden age of YouTube, why has every single one of his channels been abandoned?
But yeah, you guys get the point. These are very well put together videos. Very good creator, very awesome. You guys should check him out. Next up on the tier list / shoutout, we have Chris X Gamer, who you guys, if you saw the original tier list, will recognize from last time. His channel has changed, I'd say a significant amount since last time we spoke about him. He's gotten more silly. Look at this silly, goofy guy. Look at it. But yeah, Chris has been making videos since maybe longer than I have, if you don't. No, he's definitely been making them longer than I have, if you don't count my old channel. You guys see this? He didn't have ads last time we had him on the tier list.
This one.
Massive improvement.
Alright, so here we go. Let's check it out.
Super easiest, thank you. I'll have to look that up.
I did pretty good. 2029 on my second controller. I'm doing pretty good, no?
We're going on to the next person now. We got DH Trash Panda with his first video ever coming out 2 weeks ago called Cursed Halo Was Sent by the Devil. Yeah, That's crazy. Satan in real life. Whoa. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. So, DH Trash Panda. For their first video ever, this is a great video. This is well put together, it's well edited, it's very funny, and if there's anyone on this tier list I would encourage you to check out, please check them out. I feel like they have a lot of potential to grow as a creator and do great things in the future. I actually bookmarked one of my favorite moments from this video. We'll skip ahead to that.
Oh my god, that poor lady. He's just a fat.
Oh,
Hey, look at this guy here.
there's another. I don't have that shit bookmarked. Get up! Stop saying that! You're not encouraging the young people. You have to encourage the young people.
I apologize.
I have a gun. I have a... Stop! This guy, very cool, very awesome, very funny. Please go check him out. Give him a subscribe. Tell him I sent you guys.
I'm sorry.
But yeah, if you guys enjoy funny gaming content, please go check him out. This is one of my good childhood friends. He makes content, specifically shorts content, around rap and the rap community. And if you enjoy like rap discussion and debates and commentary, you should go check him out. You could enjoy it. Who knows? You could even end up like agreeing and like making out or something. I don't know. Look at this.
Okay, who is the best rapper alive? Let's see.
Who is it?
Alright, I'm pretty good.
Jay-Z? Yeah, I guess. What has
It's a hard
A$AP
take.
done?
Taking a harder take.
Nobody said Future ever in history.
Yeah, he's getting there. You never know. Pretty good.
It's alright.
Man, no. No.
Those must be British people.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. He's trash as shit.
You say you're called. Fuck you! Fuck you!
Fuck no, bro. Drake is so overrated. Hella overrated. Baby King is still...
Yeah, if you like that, go check him out. Drake is basically an R&B / pop artist. I will elaborate no further. Next up on our list, we have from J2Z. This is someone who makes podcasts and who is also a musician. He makes very chill, relaxed, introspective content, I would say. And if you enjoy stuff like that, go check him out. Very cozy videos, a very good vibe overall. I'm a horrible bear. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! I forgive you for that one. Next on our list we have It's Nick for Short, which I believe this person was also on the last tier list I made. So they've been making videos for a while, you know. They make mostly Sonic video essays, as you can tell, and I highly encourage you to go check them out. They're very quality videos, very interesting videos, very well written. If Sonic is your autistic special interest like mine, this channel is great. Anyways, go check this guy out. He's very close to not having to be on our list anymore, which I am so proud of him for that. Next up on our list, Michael Alberto, who is also a returner from the last list we made. He is also very close to hitting the 10K mark and not having to be on this list anymore, and I love that for him. He makes very well researched video essays, like documentary, commentary-esque videos, and they're just all really good, really well written. That's unfortunate. The original video I found him through is not here anymore. But the one about Review Tech USA, great video, crazy story, very epic, very awesome, very cool, very poggers. Poke stuff is on this list. He makes Pokemon related content, obviously, and is that where that video came from? But yeah, he makes interesting Pokemon videos. He has a what if series and he makes Pokemon theories. So if you're into that, go check him out. Alright, so that was the last person. However, I would like to give some honorable mentions to a few channels who did make it past the 10K mark from the last shoutout / tier list I made. Shout out to Epic Brawler 64, MGX0 Animations, and CG. They're all very talented and their success is very well deserved. Oh, there actually is one more YouTuber I forgot. That is Anomaluke, the greatest YouTuber on this platform to come out in the last 5 years. If you're not subscribed and liked and commented and belled, what are you even? I will kill you. I will execute you. You will not be anyways, see this great channel, amazing channel, epic channel, I love this. His series in Halo Elite where he wants to fuck the alien from Halo Elite. Peak cinema, peak cinema, peak everything. You see all this, you see this, this is great, okay? He eats with everything. So thank you for coming and checking out all these fellow small YouTubers and giving them the time of day and giving me the time of day to show them to you. Please like the video if you liked it. Go check out all the creators you would find interested. I would highly appreciate it and maybe even subscribe.
Bruh, I'm dead as hell.
See you next time.